Negasngi Deputy Commissioner of West Giant Hill District u Abhinav Kumar Singh the Pentibu wada thung ye takit wa laitlooid yo chem ye daw wa yap kaman bay wa pun khon ha MCH Hospital Jowai. U Abhinav de ong wa gani kaman bay to ka panchai bare na jalapet we da khalat kon nin imit hey por khandishten hey wada thia chwa ko hasutnga CC ha ka artrik we ha ga litarik dakit no ya ka cha MCH Hospital Jowai hey wada ut ko wa chitom go. The ong wakat kam wa ong medical superintendent ka MCH de pentip ko wa ka panchai mi ko ubam ne daw wa chitom go wa ut ko hadu arje ko sotering we hey por sanstein jan med ut suk po go we de penthia ya ka high dependency unit hey wa de pai ya ka de langel da ki wakre hey por phrach phau minute imet darap chitom jor go we de khat ko hey por khande khat san Chuchu da pentip wa da penman ya ka takit da ka internal committee wa da chana da ka medical superintendent ka MCH hospital wa da emle ka kunhun wa thung da ka directorate of health services wa da khali da joint director ka chanat health ko bo takit ye ni na ki doctor wa ki tri yung heju ipor da ong khnang yo ya ka takit wa khoj wa khlem cha chiliang da thung ya ka takit wa laitlooid wa khli da ka ADC ka district ka bibla ka district medical and health officer ka West Giantia ka Dr. Pishala wa ki doctor gynecologist wa pediatrician na East Giant Hills da pentip wa hadin wa yo ya ka bo report na ka takit ha ijan mit ka khandi taring daw pha wan chak sarkar ye chem na ka takin.
Actually, it's an unfortunate death of a lady by the name of Pinche Bare, who is from Jalafed, East Giant Hills. What has been reported that she has passed away on 4th of June at 9:30 p.m. in MCH Hospital Jowai. How the sequence of event which has been informed by the superintendent of MCH is that on 2nd of June, or that is on Monday, she was admitted in Sutanga CHC. She had initially a complaint of bleeding. On 3rd, that is Tuesday at 12:42, she was admitted to the Jowai MCH hospital on the recommendation from the previous health institution. It was told that by the medical officer that she was not taken any food, she could not take any food because of certain complications which have developed. And then on 4th-6th, she was seen by a consultant and reviewed. At 2 p.m, her condition was stable. At 5:30 p.m, there was a pain in abdomen on 4th, that is yesterday, and she was shifted to a high dependency unit. Technically, for high dependency unit, she was under constant monitoring of a medical officer. At 6:20 again, the pain was there, which has been recorded. At 8:10 on 4th of June, her condition was started to deteriorate. Then, after multiple set of things, it was reported at 9:15. It was declared that she passed away. So this is the sequence of event which has happened so far. An internal committee has been constituted by the medical superintendent herself also to oversee that what is the scenario and to ascertain the facts of the case. She has also to submit the report to us, which will be done later by today. Also, a team from the Director Health Services headed by a joint director has visited the MCH hospital, which they are undergoing their own set of fact finding and inquiry, wherein they are taking the facts from the medical officers who were involved in this particular case, also from the gynecologist, the pediatrician, etc. At our level from the district administration, to have an impartial inquiry, we have appointed our ADC, Madam Bla, to head a committee which will be looking into and fact finding for what are the reasons to ascertain the actual reality of the case. To ensure impartiality, we have asked and requested from East Giant Hills for deputing the gynecologist of their hospital, also along with the pediatrician. So it would be a 4-member committee. DMHO will also be a part of it. So, and we have asked the ADC to submit the report maximum by Monday. On the basis of the report, then necessary action will be taken. We are going to do on similar lines, once this inquiry gets concluded, we are going to chair again a meeting with regard to finding of the lacunas or the gaps which are there with regard to the MCH hospital or with regard to other health facilities also. And on the basis of that, our recommendation will be put forward.